Hi, welcome back. So I'm actually gonna be recording 2 videos today, so if you see me wearing the same outfit, mind your business. Anyways, so I saw this ad on Instagram for these shoes, and you guys, it freaking got me. When I first looked at it though, I saw the price and I was like, ooh, okay, maybe not. But then I saw that I could get a 40% off discount. I don't remember why. It might have been because I was a new customer, but I got a pretty hefty discount, and then that made it a little bit more okay for me. And I was like, oh, these are so cool. I really want these. So anyway, here we are doing an unboxing for them. So here is a lovely package that it comes in. This really cute, like, cloudy blue situation here. I actually got this a couple days ago, but as usual I wanted to wait to record this unboxing and review video, so I had to be patient and wait a couple days where I could sit down and actually do this. So here we are. I'm so excited to open these. Oh my god, these are so cute. Okay, so the company is called Esqape. This is actually my very first time buying anything from them. I haven't heard of them before, but I looked through their like Instagram and their website. They have a lot of cool stuff, so I might maybe get something from them later on. We'll see. But these shoes, I've never seen shoes like this. They have a little door on them. So they're called the Voyage Portal shoes, and the heel, chunky heel. I love chunky heels. I haven't done a shoe collection yet. I probably should, but I was gonna say, if you know my style, if you've seen my shoes, you know that that's like pretty much all I wear is like black chunky heel type shoes. Big boots. I love big boots. So I might do a shoe collection soon. But anyway, yeah, the heels have a little like portal door thingy on them. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about it and just open this. Let's get into it. Ooh. Okay, so they're bubble wrapped inside for extra protection, and packing slip, and ooh, what is this? There's a little thank you note here. Also, look at this cute bag. It comes in like a whole like little stylized bag with like a cute little mountain design on it. There's a little thank you note here with something. Oh, these must be like these must be like extra little bits of something. Not quite sure yet, but we'll figure it out in a sec. Okay, let's open this. Hello. Oh man, I'm so excited. So the shoes are also individually wrapped in these little baggies. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that new shoe smell. I can smell it already. It smells so good. Okay. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at them. Oh wow, I didn't realize the door is on both sides of the heel. Yo, I am so obsessed. These look so nice. They're like really good quality too. They feel really nice, and wowee, oh my god, I want to wear these everywhere. Oh, this is interesting too. Wow. There's a zipper on each side too. Are they both functional? Oh, they are. Interesting. So there's this big little dangly one on this side. I really like that actually. And like a thicker zipper on one side and a thinner one on the other side. That's interesting. I've never seen shoes like this where there's like a zipper on both sides like this and a functional one at that. Because a lot of times it'll just be like for decoration, at least one of them. But yo, I did not realize the door is on both sides. Oh, okay. I know what these are for now. They're the little hooks to like close the door. Okay. Can't really see the inside, but there's a little thing that looks like a book and it says ESQ on it. Oh, ESQ for, oh, it's not a book, it's the escape. Oh, I get it now. It's like the escape button on the keyboard. That's what it is. Oh, that's clever. I like that. It's a key tab on a keyboard. That's cute. So here's the second boot. Looks just as beautiful as the first one. Ugh, look at how thick these heels are. Look at that. I freaking love thick, chunky heels. Oh my god. Okay. Let me figure this out real quick. Okay, so I put one of these little, they look like staples almost in here, and if you pull that, it opens the door. This spans the entire heel. You can store so much in, oh my god, dude, I just can't get over this. I've never seen shoes like that. And then you can use this to like close it also, to like lock it. That's so cool. Ooh, so there's a little staple thing, so that keeps it like locked and in place. I'm not sure if I like that kind of method of securing the door. I kind of wish there was like, I don't know, another little like a latch here or something that like hooks into it. I feel like that would be easier to deal with, but I mean this works, you know, it's cool. But yeah, wow, so you can open this and it spans the whole width of the heel. So that is like a lot of storage space in there. Like, what can I put in here? Here's a little unicorn. Oh, so cute. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, dude. Oh, this is a little weird though. There's like a little piece of fabric or something sticking out here from like the outside of the shoe. It like came undone, so that's kind of not the best, but I mean that's not a big deal. Like I can glue it down, but that is this like outside fabric that like kind of peeled off on the inside. But so yeah, and then you can use this same little staple to lock it. See, this part is a little like frustrating because it's not very easy to maneuver this thing. Hard to like get it to fit properly in both sides so that it actually keeps it closed. So that's really the one kind of con, I guess, that I see so far in these shoes. But so yeah, the little bag they give you, it has 6 of them. So 1 for each side of the door on the shoe. The other thing is like, if anything catches this from the bottom, it could just get unlatched and like flipped up and you wouldn't even know if you lost it. That's kind of the thing that I don't really like. I really wish this was more secure. Kind of wish this was a less complicated latch to deal with. The 2 zippers and the 2 doors. I love this kind of like canvas fabric here, and then on the actual heel it's kind of like not wooden texture but like similar, I guess. It's not just like matte black, like you can see there's some like texture on it. Also, I apologize for the construction noises in the background. They've been doing stuff literally every single week and I try to avoid it as much as possible, but I need to record, and yeah. There is a little bit of texture on the bottom, but it's not like, there's no tread on this really. So it could be kind of dangerous if you're like on a slippery surface. But okay, let me try these on and show you what they look like. So they're actually pretty comfy. The inside I feel like has like a little bit of a cushion. Yeah, like I can feel it. It kind of like is a little soft. Like I feel like it would kind of mold around your foot after you wear it a little bit. It's soft, it's comfortable to wear them. It's not like overwhelming where like a lot of times bigger boots it can be hard to walk in them, but these are pretty comfy. So I did notice actually when I had both zippers down on the one shoe, and you know, I had to zip them both up. The bigger zipper is actually a little bit harder to maneuver. Not sure why, but I'm probably just gonna stick to keeping this one zipped up and only using the thinner zipper. And I feel like it was meant to kind of be that way anyway. Like this is supposed to be more of a decorative one, but just in case you need the space to get in, like it's there. I feel like this is always supposed to be like the main zipper for you to get into the shoe. So yeah, I feel like this one, it's more prone to get stuck while you're using it. So I'm kind of just gonna leave that alone. I don't really need to use it anyway. I do really like this big silvery zipper tab. I don't know why, I feel like it adds to the shoe, to the design. It looks really cool. I like them, clearly. I can't wait to wear these. I am kind of obsessed with them. Oh my god. Definitely need to use them in some lookbook videos whenever I do one again, because these are so cute and I'm really curious to see how I can pair them with like different outfits. I mean, I feel like they would look good with like most things. These pants I feel like aren't the best to showcase these shoes, but I just threw them on because I didn't want to be wearing PJs. Yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say, except I wish the latch was an actual latch instead of like the little staple thingies that you have to put in. I didn't realize it was on both sides. That's really cool. I love that. Also didn't realize it spans the whole width of the heel, which I love. That's so much room. Like, I don't know what you would put in there, but you could put like anything in there. You can stash all your super mysterious dark secrets in there, or, you know, a piece of candy or something. But yeah, I really love these, dude. I cannot wait to wear these somewhere. So these actually come in 2 colors. They come in black and in pink. Of course, I had to buy the black because I like never wear pink. Hope you enjoyed the review for these shoes. Once again, these are by the brand Esqape, spelled E-S-Q-A-P-E. And these are the Voyage Portal shoes. Let me know if you like this video. If you do, please leave me a like and comment below what you think of these. Would you buy these? Yeah, they actually have a lot of really cool shoes on their website. They have like really fun colors and holographic ones and like really cool sneakers, and they even have roller blades on, or roller skates. Sorry, there's a difference. Roller skates on there. I actually prefer roller blades because otherwise I might have even considered buying those. But I also haven't rollerbladed in a while. There's nowhere really for me to do that in my immediate vicinity. But anyway, yeah, they have cool stuff on their website. You should check them out. Like I said, this is my first time buying from them, so I don't know how any of their other stuff is, but it is just like so aesthetically pleasing to even just like scroll through and look at their stuff, just because it's so cool and like artistic and pretty, and you know, I love all that kind of stuff. I do a little bit of everything on this channel. I dye my hair, I do makeup. But anyway, if you like any kind of artsy stuff or alternative fashion or anything like that, then you should subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next one.